Hello guys, today we are gonna cook Bolognese sauce. Start with grating 1 big carrot and 1 big onion. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and add them to veggie mixture. Continue by preheating the pan on medium heat and pouring 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add your veggie mixture into the pan and cook around 4 minutes until soft. After veggie is done, add half tablespoon of olive oil and increase the heat. Throw in 400 grams of minced beef and crumble it while browning. When there is no raw meat left, mix the meat and veggies together. Add 400 ml of canned tomatoes. Next, 1 teaspoon of oregano and half teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour in 1.5 tablespoon of Worcester sauce or a beef stock. Finish with 150 milliliters of milk. Afterwards, lower the heat, mix ingredients together and let it simmer for around 20 minutes. When sauce is done, serve it with pasta. This is everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one. Bye!